In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to check your social security number. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly find and check your social security number. So I'm gonna go over some ways in which you will be able to discover your own social security number. Maybe you are curious on what you would do if you lost access to your social security number, or in a specific case, maybe you did lose access. So to start, if you have access to it, locate your social security card. This is going to be the fastest way to find the SSN. It is going to be on the front of the security card. If you also lost access to the card and you don't have a copy elsewhere, then you can check some documents. You can find them in tax returns, W-2 forms, 1099 forms, and any sort of bank or other financial statements. As soon as you look into those documents, your social security number will be listed. If you try going over to the Social Security website at ssa.gov, you will be able to replace your Social Security card. However, as you can see, you will need to know your Social Security number beforehand. So keep that in mind. In most cases, a physical card isn't necessary, but if you don't remember it at all, it is going to be a difficult process. So you can just answer a few questions and see if you are able to get a new card, even without remembering your social security number. This is going to be another option if you aren't desperate to find it right away. So as long as you answer yes to most of these questions and you are able to provide the necessary information, you will be able to get a replacement card. Alternatively, you can also call them at any of these numbers presented here. The representatives will be able to help you. So, as long as you fall within the replacement card eligibility, or you call them at this number, they will be able to assist you and either provide a new social security number card, or you will be able to recover yours by looking at one of those documents that I mentioned. I hope I was able to help you on how to check your social security number. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.